Scratch Ad Error, Barney Error 3.2, Part 25.
Finally. I have finally reached the extra chances in this error. But I swear to God, if Scratch Cat tries to jump scare me again with this Zalgo mode, then I am going to lose it.
I scared you so good. And yep, that's right, Kayla the ship. Welcome to the extra chances. And if you can't see, I am now in my Zalgo mode. The background has changed once again to Yoshi.exe. The fonts are now banned 3 with the black red text color only for extra chances 180 to 41. And the extra timer will now reduce back every 2 times you turn off your computer since it is now 6 days. This is what happens when you turn off your computer 240 times. And this is also what happens when you waste all of your chances. So please do not turn it off, and I totally mean it.
Oh my freaking gosh. That just jump scared the daylights out of me yet once again, and it gave me a heart attack after this. You know what? For that, I will turn it off again because you did this to me once again.
Chances after you wasted all of your chances, you still have the nerves to turn off your Windows.exe random edition computer. Like seriously, it's still aggravating me when you keep turning off your Windows.exe random edition computer. You now have 179 extra chances left.
Then I will bonk you with a coconut instead. Stop turning off your computer, then you still wouldn't listen to me like always, because these turn-offs are still pissing me off. Like seriously, when are you going to stop turning off your computer? If you did so, then you would have made me happy. Now you have 177 extra chances left to go. Absolutely not. I'll never stop turning off my computer. Now be quiet, and leave me alone.
If you turn off your computer again, I will be invited to Zalgo mode. The extra timer is 5 to 5 days and 20 hours, and you have 176 extra chances left. That's correct, Kayla the ship. I am now invited to Zalgo mode. This is what you get for turning off your Windows.exe random edition computer 245 times. You have 175 extra chances left to spare. Do not waste them all, and I totally mean it.
Alright, you know what? For scaring me yet again with your Zalgo mode, I am biting your hand. Take this.
I had to give that payback to you for jump-scaring me non-stop. Now back to turning it off. I will not. Also, I will invert your colors instead.
Extra chances